Okay, today I'm building shelves for free, which means I'm not spending any money on these shelves. These are not going to be really nice shelves. That other shelf that I built that was really nice was for the wifey, so it needed to be nice, and it went in the kitchen. But these are just going in the barn garage, and it's for me and the cats. I'm not even going to put anything on these shelves. I'm going to be hanging stuff from the bottom of them. You notice that other shelf that I built right there for free? I made squares so that I could go back and drill holes in them and maybe put a black pipe in there. But these I'm not going to do that, so I made the 45-degree cuts. Let me bring you over here and show you my marks. First of all, this was scrap from a porch project or a deck project. I don't remember which one. They're short pieces under 3 foot. Most people throw those away. These are for when I replaced a wood floor in a 1945 house. They're just flooring planks. I measured 10 inches from either end and put these marks for my braces. So I'm not even buying any braces, I'm just making them. 10 inches from this end. I measured and found the middle of this board and marked it. I found the middle of this board and marked it and lined those up. I've got 14 inches between the braces for no reason at all. I measured from the post to the first wall stud and transferred that measurement from here to this spot right here and marked it for at least a couple of screws that'll go into studs. I've got leftover screws from another project. I'm going to place the brace to the outside of the line and the outside of the line with a 10-inch mark here. I'm putting my cut edge up at the top. Hey, Tigger the shop cat, have you come to help build shelves? Are you gonna... This is who these shelves are for. Right here, Tigger the shop cat. He's been trying to get up there to get to some squirrels that are getting in and out of the shop, and these are going to be too high for me to use for anything. So I'm not putting anything on these shelves. I'm just going to let him climb up and down the shelves. See, they're really good and wide so he won't fall off. And there he goes. He's off over there to look for those squirrels again. Just eyeballing this. I'm trying not to over tighten the screws. I guess I could use the clutch. Yep, turn that down to 10. Go up a little higher. There we go. Now, all that's done so far is put the brackets on there. Okay, now I need some different screws to go through here into the wall. So I'm going to use some of my decking screws from the last porch and decking job. Switch bits because these are Torx bit screw. I'll be reaching up so I've got them angled down towards me. Alright, we're ready to go stick it to the wall. Hey, Tigger. Hi, Tigger. Yeah, I hear you. Look at that. Shelves. Look at that. Is he going to try it out? Nope, not while we're watching. Tigger says it's too hot to be up there right now. He's going to lay around on the nice cold concrete. In another video, I took the other shelving parts that would look just like this, sanded and repainted them to make them look like this. I'll put a link to that video in the description. Here's the fancy one in the kitchen that I built for the wife. And I think I spent $200 in materials for this one. Look how many pots and pans and stuff it can hold. And some of her other cooking equipment and tools. And it's trimmed out nice too. All nice and fancy. I'll put a link to this build in the description as well.